Oh, hey, what are you guys doing in my egg? That's where my meat goes. Today, we're going to take a trip over to the hardware store. The Big Green Egg rep is there, and we're going to sit and we're going to talk to him, look what he's got going on. Actually, I think I'm going to let him do the talking. It is his job. So, let's go. Let's go for a trip.
All right, hey, good morning, guys. I'm Matt with Big Green Egg. I'm coming to you from Kim's Ace Hardware on Ridge Road, right up the road from Lambeau Field. We're going to be doing a little bit of demoing on the Big Green Egg today. I have some chicken legs, a whole chicken. We'll be using the turbo trusser to truss the chicken. You just hook it and cook it. But basically here today to focus and feature the Big Green Egg, which is the world's greatest charcoal grill and smoker. You can grill, roast, smoke, bake, and sear all on one device. Low and slow at 200 degrees, or sear a tuna steak at up over 1,000, and everything in between. So this one right here that we're doing here is the extra large. I have it here on the nest with some side tables, and then we're also featuring and showcasing the eggspander racking system, which is a fairly new, been out for a couple years now, aftermarket racking system where you can get the second shelf, or you also have a bunch of half moon accessories to where you can do raised and lowered, direct and indirect all at the same time, all the way down to cowboy. Really adds the versatility and then overall availability for putting food on there, more space I should say. So what separates Big Green Egg from the competition, I say outright, is probably versatility. Like I said already, you can do low and slow or all the way extremely high temperatures. You can use it in the winter. This egg has no problem getting up over 1,000 degrees when it's 20 below zero. They're very fuel efficient. Charcoal we use is all natural lump charcoal. So this is a blend of oak and hickory. It's actually just kilned hardwood. So you see you get some chips of oak and hickory. It just basically kilned off hardwood, all natural lump charcoal. Again, this one is a blend of oak and hickory. Big Green Egg does also have Canadian maple or a Brazilian hardwood as well. But the egg is extremely fuel efficient. So one full load in this size egg here, if we're gonna do something low and slow, say at 250 degrees, you're gonna get 20 plus hours of cooking before you actually have to refuel. So extremely fuel efficient and truly the set it and forget it. Once you light it, you literally can walk away. I do overnight cooks. You just have to trust the egg to maintain the temperature, and it does that every time. Control the temperature by airflow. So the more air that gets in this bottom vent and out the top, the hotter it gets. And it's really, once you get it set and stabilized, it will stay there for hours. And we're still bringing it up to temperature. I'm just stabilizing it. We'll probably be at about 375, 400 today. For what I'm doing. Again, like I said, I'm doing some samples here at Kim's Ace. We'll have pork tenderloin, Polish sausage, some stuffed marshmallows for dessert, a whole chicken, and then some pork tenderloin. I forgot what my menu was already. So.
And you're making me hungry.
But stop on down. I'll be here until 2 o'clock. If you have any questions, come on out.
Perfect. Thank you.